Neurons that fire together, wire together, said Donald Hebb in 1949, which is now called the Hebbian law. So how is that important to creating audio and video content? And why does that matter? And why should you care? Anyway, here's why. Understanding the structure of the brain and how different parts of the brain talk to each other should help you as you design and create your audio and video content. Here's the 4 parts of the brain that we will be focusing on: frontal, temporal, parietal, and occipital lobe. The frontal lobe regulates emotions and attention. So as you create your content, said, how can you appeal to both emotion and attention? Frontal lobe. What is it that's going to stimulate both? The temporal lobe regulates language, hearing, memory, comprehension, and emotion. The parietal lobe regulates things like sensory information, spatial processing, navigation, perception, math, and reading. Again, think of your audio and video and how is this important. And the last part, the occipital lobe processes vision. So think of your content and how this is important. As you create your content, is it possible to create part or all of these 4 parts of the brain to engage the reader? Speaking and writing are expressive pathways. Generally, students don't practice that. Listening and seeing are receptive pathways. That's normally how students, what they practice in class. Memory is related to output issues. Memory must be reassembled, so taken part, because it's stored in distributed region in the brain. The students who have fired and wired receptive pathways, heard, seen, talked about the content, will likely do better in the test and in the class. Happy creating.